I'm Gilbert Gottfried, and you are about to witness the shenanigans of this itchy motherfucker.
Alright, so I'm at Nellis Air Force Base, right? And I got a pretty decent record and such, but I was supposed to bring F1 engines. F1 fighter jet engines, like turbines here. Right? And I go to pull out because I straight up tell them, hey, this is what's going on. The broker said it was okay. Y'all ain't gonna allow me in, are you? And they were like, no. And I was like, right on, I figured that. He's like, all right, just do U-turn and pull out of here. I was like, right on, cool. But I go to pull out, and these guys have just been straight up circling ever since I turned around. And I'm just like, oh my God. I'll be right back. Let me put some shit up. Ooh, what's this? Oh, okay. That goes in my GoPro bag. Alrighty. It's gonna be a bit of a short video, as you've seen. But other than that, fuck. I'm working on getting 99 fishing in RuneScape. Those of you who have tuned in to my Twitch live streams, same name on Twitch, same name on everything, Itchy Armadilla. Other than that, I'm trying to get 99. I'm 97 right now. I'm about 400k away from 98, and then I gotta hit 99. I'm hoping to hit 99 before I go do the rest of the tattoo video. And I'm gonna include the hitting 99 in the tattoo shop, which I think will be really cool. And Matt thinks it's gonna be really cool, you know, me fucking hitting that 99 achievement inside the tattoo studio, and then getting the shit on my leg, as y'all are gonna see. Don't want to spoil nothing. I may have already stated something on Twitch for very few that have seen it, because I ain't got very many people on Twitch. But, yeah. Been trying to get a video out, you know, the week after I got that last one out. Oh, I know. You want pasta? Yeah. She's like, dude, I can smell that freaking food you got from the pasta factory. The spaghetti factory, and she's going nuts ever since I got back. She's been bugging the shit out of me. She's like, I know you got it, and I know you're gonna share. Oh, I know it. Oh, I know it. Oh my God. Yeah. Okay, let me finish up. We got people watching us. Yeah. Anyways. Oh, I need a cigarette. I need to quit smoking. But anyways, I hope y'all enjoyed the little snippets of video that I did include on this. But July 26th is when you should expect that video to be happening, but don't expect that video to be edited. Because that last video I just uploaded last week, it took me like, I don't know, I edited it partly the day before. Or, yeah, I think it was the day before. And then I spent the next day about 8 to 10 hours editing it. I think. Yeah. And I had like, what was it, Kai? Was that 3 hours? Was it 3 hours? I had like 3 hours of video. No. Yeah. I think, yeah. I probably had about 2 hours, give or take. Somewhere around there. And that took me over 10 hours to edit, because I spent hours the day before, and then I spent 8 to 10 hours the day that I uploaded it. I'm like very slow at editing, and I really want to make sure it's like to my approval, you know. I know they ain't the best, but I'm still trying to make progress, okay? And I'm dealing with what I'm dealing with because I haven't got my computer set up yet. The computer I did have in the past that you have seen videos for, if y'all have watched my other videos, that computer kind of slowed down and crashed on me because I had way too much shit going on it. I had OBS Studios, I had just a bunch of stuff on there for editing, live streaming, and stuff like that. And the computer just couldn't handle it. So I am right now working on a really good setup for a laptop that'll just be able to do the minute stuff that I'm doing, but be able to handle it. The computer I had was like $200 computer. Go figure. Well, my dumb ass has it backwards. There we go. But we'll have a good time. I'm trying to get to 99, and then after I get to 99, I think I'm gonna go for mining. But yeah. I don't get to play RuneScape as much as I want, you know, so that whole no XP waste, bruh, is not really a thing with me because, yeah, a lot of other shit going on. Takes me a little bit longer to reach 99 than other people, but my 99s mean a lot to me. And on that note, I think we're going to end it. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Please subscribe. Other than that, may you be strong and your winches be pretty. What are you doing? What am I doing?